Hi everybody, thank you very much and welcome to the my channel Suryavansh Tech. So in this session, I'm going to continue our CLI commands series of our checkpoint. So in this session, I'm going to show some important keystroke and some commands we generally use on our day-to-day activity for the live troubleshooting and for the changes. So let me pen. Yeah, so there are some keystroke. For example, I will start from this. So, for example, we have type some command. For example, show interface Ethernet 0, and if you want to delete all line, so you can use this one Control plus U, and it's going to delete your current line whatever you have typed. For example, so we'll see on the firewall also. So interface Ethernet 0. Okay, if you want to delete all line whatever you have typed, just use Control plus U. Okay. You can use Alt D to delete the next word. Okay. For example, we have typed the command show interface Ethernet 0. If you type Alt D, it is going to delete this one. Okay. And then we can use this one Control plus a next history item. Then we can use Control P to show previous history item or like whatever we have configure whatever command we have run. If you run this command Control plus keystroke like Control plus R, it is going to redisplay the current line. Okay, so whatever we have deleted, it is going to redisplay it. Control plus A, move to the next character. Control plus C, move to the end of the line. Control A, move to the beginning of the line. So, as per my experience, we don't use much, but some keystroke we generally use like Control U, Control R, okay, Alt D. So these are the very useful keystroke. And these commands is very, very important. And, I use on our day-to-day activity for troubleshooting, for configuration, and it is very, very important. Like show commands. Okay. Just 1 minute. Like show command, show all commands. Okay. For example, this is very, very important command. For example, if you are not aware about any command related to R, just run this command, show commands feature R. So it is going to show all the command related to R. Okay. If you are not aware about any command related to OP, so just run show command and OP. It is going to show all the command related to OP. Okay. For example, show command OP show feature R. So we are not sure about the R command. OP show a feature R command. So just run this command and it is going to show all the combination related to R, R. So let me try to log in and then so it will be helpful for you guys to understand. Just 1 minute. 192, 168, 137. Let me increase the size. Okay, for example, show interface. I have run the command show interface and Ethernet 0. Okay, and I'm just going this one Alt plus D to delete next word. So just use Alt and D. So when I type Alt D, it is going to delete our next word. Okay, delete the next word. And then run this command Control plus U. Control and capital U, delete the current line. Control and U. So whatever line I have written, it is going to complete delete it. So for example, let me show again. Show interface Ethernet 0. And then we need to use control plus capital U. Control and capital U. So whatever command I have run, it is going to delete all. So this is very, very, useful. So you can use this one, control U, delete the current line. Whatever line you have typed, we can delete with the help of control U. You don't need to, do manually like one by one. We don't need to do backspace. Okay. And then this one, Alt F, go to the next word. So let me try this one also. So interface, first type it. So interface Ethernet 0, and then Alt and then F. So let me just Alt then F. Okay. So it is sending me next. Okay. So for example, I am here and I'm typing Alt and capital F. It's sending me next. Then Alt, it is sending me to the next. So Alt F is used to go to the next word. Okay. For example, interface. We are on the interface. Try to type Alt and F. It will show Ethernet 0. So if you want to go next word one by one, then we can use Alt and capital F. Okay. So this is very, very important. Control U. And let me try this. Control and capital R. Redisplay the current line. So control and capital R. So first type it. So interface Ethernet 0. And I'm typing caps lock, control, and then capital U. So it is going to delete. We can say like, and then second one was what was the keystroke, control and R. Control and R. So it is going to show a specific interface configurations. So redisplay the current line, okay? So these are the combination, okay, of keystroke. So we can use as per the requirement, but it is very less in the production. But some keystroke I use like control U and alt D, okay. And for example, these are very, very important. Show commands. So if you run this command like show commands, so it is show all the command related to add, everything we can run on the list. Whatever command is required to run on the list, it is going to show. Okay. And for example, if you're not sure about the R command, like how many R command related to, on the checkpoint, like how many R command we can use on checkpoint list cell. So just run this command, show commands, feature R. So show commands, feature R. See, so whatever command related to ARP, it is going to show. So we don't need to remember, okay? We don't need to remember all the ARP command. It is going to show all here, okay? Like show ARP statical, show ARP table, show ARP proxial, show ARP dynamical, show ARP announce, and then show ARP table, validity time. Also, all the command related to ARP is going to show. This is very, very important and useful command, this one. Log database override is basically used. For example, at a time, we can do anything, changes or any, troubleshooting through GUI, web GUI or CLI, not together. So for example, we have login through CLI, and again, you are trying to log in through web UI. So first we need to do database override. Then we can do the changes and login, and we can log in, but if you want to do any changes, then we can do log database override. इन शॉर्ट मैं आपको बता दूं तो CLI या वेब UI दोनों में से किसी एक टाइम पर आप किसी एक जगह ही चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. अगर दोनों जगह लॉगिन है, लॉगिन कर सकते हैं, बट यू कांट डू एनी चेंजेस. अगर चेंजेस करने जाओगे तो दिखाएगा कि भाई आपको पहले लॉग डेटाबेस ओवरराइड करना पड़ेगा, पहले लॉग एक तरह से रिलीज करना पड़ेगा, एक ऐसा बोलो. सो वी कैन डू चेंजेस वन प्लेस एट ए टाइम, चाहे CLI हो or वेब UI हो. ओके, this command is to set expert part over, like, for example, set expert password. So in my case already password is set, that is whether it is asking enter current expert password, क्योंकि हमारे केस में already expert password set है, that is the reason. Okay. Save config use basically whatever changes we have done through CLI of checkpoint, we can use save config to save the configuration. So our dynamic all to display the dynamic ARP entry. So BGP states, so BGP statistics. So if BGP configure on a firewall, so you can use this command. So BGP summary, so summary information about BGP. So bonding group basically kinds of LSCP in firewall, checkpoint firewall. Okay. सो इन अभी हमने कुछ कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं किया है. सो बॉन्डिंग ग्रुप अभी हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं. बट इफ यू हैव लाइक बॉन्डिंग ग्रुप लाइक एलएससीपी काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग कॉन्फ़िगर ऑन चेक पॉइंट. सो बॉन्डिंग ग्रुप अगर मैं आपको इन शॉर्ट बता दूं तो इट्स काइंड्स ऑफ एलएससीपी ईथर चैनल ऑन चेक पॉइंट फायरवॉल. उसको देखने के लिए हम सो बॉन्डिंग ग्रुप का यूज करते हैं. ओके. सो बैकअप्स, तो आप इस कमांड का यूज करके आप बैकअप वगैरह चेक कर सकते हो. सो बैकअप्स, सो अभी हमारे पास एक बैकअप है जो कि वारलॉग चेक पॉइंट बैकअप बैकअप्स के पाथ में है. मतलब बैकअप का लोकेशन ये दिखा रहा है, दिस इज नॉट बैकअप. सो अगर आप सो बैकअप डालोगे तो यहाँ पर दिखा दिया कि बैकअप लोकेशन इज वारलॉग सीपी बैकअप एंड बैकअप्स. तो अब में अगर आप एक्सपर्ट मोड में जाओगे एंड यहाँ पर एडमिन 1 2 3 एंड अगर इस पाथ में अगर आप जाते हो एंड ls स्पेस -lrth, तो देयर इज नो एनी बैकअप. बट जिसे हमने रन किया सो बैकअप्स तो दिखा दिया कि बैकअप्स का जो लोकेशन होता है ये अगर आप सीसीएसए के एग्जाम देते हो ग्लोबल एग्जाम इट विल आस्क व्हाट इज द बैकअप लोकेशन बाय डिफॉल्ट पाथ ऑफ बैकअप. सो इट इज सो वी नीड टू सिलेक्ट वार लॉग चेक पॉइंट बैकअप्स एंड बैकअप्स. इसके अंदर जा करके आप जो भी हम लोकल बैकअप लेते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू गो ऑन द क्लीस, गो ऑन द एग्जिट, लाइक रन द कमांड ऐड बैकअप एंड लोकल. ठीक है. तो अगर हम ये देखेंगे स्टेटस, तो बैकअप स्टेटस, सो अभी एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है स्टेप एग्जीक्यूटिंग प्री बैकअप स्क्रिप्ट. तो जैसे ही हमने कमांड रन किया ऐड बैकअप लोकल, तो बैकअप चालू हो गया. बोल रहा है कि आपको देखने के लिए ये कमांड यूज करो, सो बैकअप स्टेटस की कितना कंप्लीट हुआ, तो हमने वो यूज कर रहे हैं. तो क्या बोल रहा है कि स्टेप क्रिएटिंग कंप्रेस्ड बैकअप फाइल एंड उस पाथ में और जाते हैं हम, देखते हैं उस पाथ में है क्या. गो ऑन द एक्सपर्ट एंड एडमिन 1 2 3 and go on this path cd and this one. What was the path? This was the path. ठीक. सो देखो हमने आज जो अभी जो है बैकअप हमने लिया यहाँ पर स्टोर हो गया. सो दिस इज द डिफॉल्ट पाथ ऑफ द बैकअप. सो ये क्वेश्चन चेक पॉइंट का सीसी से ग्लोबल एग्जाम में भी पूछते हैं. ओके, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गिव एग्जाम चेक पॉइंट सर्टिफाइड सिक्योरिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर एग्जाम, उस केस में आपको पूछा जाएगा कि व्हाट इज डिफॉल्ट पाथ ऑफ द बैकअप बेसिकली फॉर लोकल बैकअप. सो दिस इज द पाथ वार लॉग चेक पॉइंट बैकअप्स एंड बैकअप्स. So this is the very useful command like so backups, so BHP summary, log database override, save config, so R dynamic all, and so commands. And if you're not sure about any command related to R on checkpoint, just run this command. So commands feature and R, it is going to show all the R related commands on the list of the checkpoint firewall. Okay, so that's it for this session. Thank you very much for your time, guys. Please share this video as much as possible. Subscribe it and like it. Okay, thank you very much.